welcome to another taste test video. I am glad to be alive today. That was an expression, but anyways. So, you don't need to see that. Sorry, I'm getting off track. Today we've got another taste test because I just bought these like a couple of days ago. I don't know, Friday. Halloween Oreos. So how are you guys today? Here, you get the first whiff. Smell. Smell. So they say they have 6 different designs. Oh, I see what they mean. 1 design. Okay, I know. Yeah, I know. If you hear a bird throughout the video, I'm sorry. It's not my fault. It's the birds. The pumpkin. Like some sort of volt. A witch's house, which is the 4th one. A skeleton. I'm just picking these out randomly, trust me. Well, that's the first one that was not new. That's not new either. That's not new. Oreo, did you lie to me and it says 5? Yeah, it says 5 different designs, so I already picked them out. I showed you all the designs. Yeah. Okay, I got some milk. Good thing it's morning. I'd love to do a live stream for my new series, Knack vs. the Wilds, episode 2 and 3, maybe. Episode 2 or 3 when I want them. But anyways, if you don't know, this is not my normal position for an Oreo taste test. This is the guest Oreo taste test. Get it? And these are supposed to be on Fridays, but I can't fit them in on Fridays. I've got too much work I'm doing, especially this Friday with everything that's been going on. But anyways, because my drone broke down, but don't worry. We had a warranty on it, and we got a new one. So there's still going to be drone videos. Let's get into the taste test. Which one do I want? I'll just go with the pumpkin, because I'm a pumpkin guy. Oh, sorry. That's pretty good. Kind of tastes like pumpkin, in my opinion. Might taste like a normal Oreo to you. Might taste like pumpkin to me. That tastes so gosh darn good. Well, that's my opinion. They're good. No intensive heat for me. Every time I don't like something, I have to have heat. Because I hate not liking something that I buy. And I'll probably force that and tell myself that you better eat it. Don't judge me, okay? Thank you for watching. Yes, I've had like 30 expressions in this video. My GoPro's dying already. Come on. But, bye-bye. Oh wait, it goes like this. Bye-bye. I really think that's a good thing. It's my own thing. Ma Wilson. Don't copyright.